Alright, so today was not a planned filming day whatsoever. But remember how I mentioned that this fuel door is broken? And I've managed to get it up once with the emergency latch. So I figured everything was fine, but it wasn't. I had been at the driving range shooting some golf balls, and then I had like 20 miles till empty, and I needed to get some gas, and this happens. Alright, so I was just trying to get gas, and I broke the whole emergency mechanism as well, because this thing won't open. And I have 20 miles till empty, and I'm 17 miles from home. Stupid car. Yeah, 20 miles till empty. And I'm on red over here. Hoping for the best. So now it says 15 miles till empty, and I'm literally 17 miles from home. So I'm very close to my old place of work. And so I know for a fact that I'm about 17 miles from home. So we'll see if I make it. Stupid car. I mean, you guys know I've done these type of experiments before, like how far can you drive on 0 miles empty and all that good stuff. This is not planned whatsoever. I don't have an extra canister of gas with me in the trunk, nothing like that. If I run out of gas, I'm screwed. Yeah, this feels completely different from the other videos I've made in regards to fuel and how far you can drive, because I don't have a safety net. So it does feel kind of weird. Because first, it's also hot and humid outside. Plus, I can't even get the fuel door open. So like, it's like double trouble. Run out of gas, and you can't even get the fuel door open to, you know, fill it up with gas once someone comes and like tries to help your ass. So yeah, nervous. So I've been at the driving range, like hitting golf balls. I had no plans on filming whatsoever, but my little POV setup here, my hat and my little GoPro was in the car, so I can film with this. And the good thing about this car that I actually really like, and I was going to talk about this in the review, is that it does have a cylinder deactivation system that, like, I never notice whatsoever. It's not like, you know, in my F-150 that I had, where it was extremely noticeable. Like, you would hear it audibly, and it just the way the truck acted, it was just awful. This car, you don't notice anything. So when you're driving on the highway, it does this cylinder deactivation thing, and this car with around 700 horsepower gets over 25 miles to the gallon on the highway if you're driving, you know, conservatively. So that is in our favor here to get home before we run out of gas, for sure. So you shouldn't be doing this. Definitely not be doing this, but all right, so it says 10 miles left till empty. Yeah, we're on red. Like red. I don't know why I'm laughing, but what else are you gonna do? I'm driving conservatively, 70 miles an hour and a 55. That is very conservatively. I have no idea how this car is set up when it comes to like really being low on fuel. I'm pretty familiar with the American trucks and stuff, but not a German car, because I've never done this type of experiments in a car like this with a lot of horsepower and stuff. So we're chilling. So we're currently getting 19.3 miles per gallon, which isn't bad. If I reset this now, see, it gets good fuel economy on the highway if you're just chilling for a car with a lot of horsepower. Now we're going uphill, so not too good, but see if we can get some slipstream action here with the Ford Expedition. Oh, what are you doing? All right, we're getting closer, but 5 miles till empty. 5. We're at a red light here. One good thing with this situation currently, though, is that if I were to break down now right by a Sheetz, I could technically walk home, although it would suck. But at least I'm not stuck like out on the highway. I'm thinking we should be able to make it home, and when we get home, I gotta try to get this fuel door open without using the emergency latch, because I got it open one time with the emergency latch, but I remember now I had been spraying a bunch of WD-40 on the whole locking mechanism for the fuel door, so it would actually, you know, disengage and engage and so on. I didn't have that here now, and then when I was pulling on the wire, it just broke off. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Super weird. All right, home sweet home. We made it, thank God. Yeah, so this is so hard to show, but basically this locking mechanism goes like this in lock mode, and then when you unlock it and you push down, it goes like that, and then it comes up, but so it obviously won't do that. And it really sucks. I think I have to remove this whole part. And I mean, I have to wait for a new part. I can't even get it open to go to the gas station and get just a canister of gas to get some gas in there so we can actually drive and get a full tank of gas without worrying about getting stuck. God, that sucks. Yeah, I mean, I keep trying here because I don't really have many other options. Come on, man. Fuck. What the hell? So I mean, another option is to probably try to get this part out so I can figure out where this was hooked up to and pull it manually. I'm sitting here in the trunk of my car, and the thing is, I can reach in here and I get part of this out, and that's how I got to the wire initially. But I would like to remove this whole part, but I just feel like I'm gonna break something. I will if I start like tearing into stuff. It's just extremely complicated. This is the dumbest problem to have in a car, to not be able to get your fuel door open, and then when you finally find the emergency little latch, it breaks as well. I mean, thank God that I got home, but if I hadn't, then I mean, what the hell do? You got to get the car towed? I mean, it's so stupid. So yeah, I'm really pissed off right now. I mean, I've been here and like prying open, trying to pry open and stuff. But yeah, I just know I'm gonna break something. I'm just not good at this kind of stuff. Of course, I could probably just grab this thing and just freaking tear it open, but it's probably not the best thing to do either. But you know what? If I'm gonna get a whole new one of these things, then maybe it's worth a try. You see how it's all locked in there. Little prick right there. Oh. Yep. Yeah, so it's officially broken. You know, this will work like in the meantime, but at least I can get to this freaking gas cap. So here's the thing. I have a video that's about to go live about, you know, certain things about this car that I don't like at all. Basically 5 things I hate about this car. This is obviously one of them. Now, I shot that video yesterday before I started having this massive problem here. Now, I just got a new fuel door the other day. It came back from paint, because obviously you got to order the fuel door and then they go and paint it the color of your car. And it's sitting on this stick. I haven't even like taken it out of the plastic. But it's useless to put a new fuel door on, since we need this whole mechanism. And you know, you see things are broken here, so yeah, but at least we can get some gas now. So let's hop in the car and see if we make it to the gas station. Basically what we have to do now is like roll down the hill of my street, and then we're almost at a gas station, so we should be good. But what a stupid thing to break. And what a dumb design that the freaking emergency cord like breaks. It's the dumbest. I've never been so like annoyed and pissed off at a specific feature of a car ever. Like a weird little breakdown. So dumb. and we are officially at 0 miles till empty. I've never driven this car with, you know, as empty as it is now. We have like no gas. Sounds good though. See, now it's blinking red. I've never seen that before. The blinking. I think we're gonna make it to the gas station. We're gonna roll into the gas station. 0 miles till empty. Stupid car. 86 bucks on the cent. I've never spent that much on gas in this car. Dude, the sound. All right, I'm in love with this car again. Never mind the little problems. So yeah, there it is. We're just gonna end the video with that. Weirdest, I don't know, like freaking problem I've ever had with a car. Or oddest, maybe I should say. And again, I know this video wasn't very, like, you know, looking pretty and all that stuff with editing and whatever, but because I wasn't planning on filming. But we're home. We have a full tank of gas in the car, and I gotta order this whole mechanism. I don't know what it's gonna cost yet. It is Saturday, and it's like almost 4 o'clock, so I know that the parts department is just gonna be closed. Otherwise, we'd end the video with just calling them and getting a price quote on that. It's probably going to be a few $100, but then you just remove this whole thing and put a new one in, and then I have a new fuel door. You just slide the fuel door in and then you're good. But yeah, weirdest freaking problem, man. Weirdest. I'll see you guys in the next one.